Hey, it's Tam, your Bright Lights Insider, and I'm here with Jeff from Poppin Popcorn Factory. Jeff, you were one of our amazing vendors from last year, and you're back again this year. Can you tell us a little bit about your experience last year and what's going on this year?
Sure thing, Tam. We had a great time last year. We're very lucky to be a part of this event. It's so much fun. We got to meet so many local people in the city and made a lot of new connections. And we were here for the Fridays and Saturdays last year. I'm glad they opened it up to bigger days because it was definitely busy and it called for it. So we stepped up to the challenge. We'll be here 31 days. We'll be here every single day this year. We're looking forward to every one of them.
Amazing, and we're happy to have you for sure. And now I understand this year there's a big charitable component to your event this year. So can you explain a little bit about that?
Sure. Well, we were very successful last year, and part of us being successful is us being charitable. So we've reached out to the Children's Aid Society, and we are going to donate 100% of our sales on December the 8th to the Children's Aid Society Christmas program. So we're trying to get some local celebrities, we're trying to get as much word out there as we can, and we're going to donate everything. We're going to do all our labor's free. We're going to give everything right to the Children's Aid Society. We really want to make a difference because Bright Lights made a big difference for us last year. So
that's
our turn to get back. So.
No, that's awesome. And I understand that you're going to be coming with an arsenal of some brand new flavors as well. So can you explain a little bit about that?
Well, last year we did so well, and the Bright Lights gave us the confidence to actually expand our business a little bit. We actually leased a building just down the road, which is great. So in my old neighborhood, which makes me feel very happy. But we have a shop now, and in the shop we can actually gives us the ability to make different flavors, savory flavors. So we're going to introduce probably 4 or 5 new flavors at Bright Lights. We're really excited about the dill pickle. That's a big popular flavor for people. So we'll still be making the kettle corn here 100% the whole time, hot, fresh. You'll smell it when you're walking through the park. It's tremendous. You know, Bright Lights brings the lights, we bring the smell.
Yeah, so, absolutely.
And but we'll be bringing a bunch of new savory flavors this year, and we're looking forward to it.
So. Yeah, if you haven't tried it yet, go and grab yourself a bag of What's Poppin'. I am really excited to try the dill pickle. That's right up my alley, so I am definitely down for that. Well, thanks, Jeff, for stopping by and talking to us today. We're looking forward to having you at the event, as I mentioned. And this is Tam and Jeff. And this is Tam, your Bright Lights Insider, signing off for now.